asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on with it? Mr. Hustlehard is here with another one. Hey, man, I'm gonna go ahead and finally do this, I guess. Go ahead and put those on the Blazer brace. Got it on over here on the other side as well. Got some new brake lines. Yeah, I'm just outside, early in the morning on the off day, so might as well tackle something early in the morning because shoot, y'all, it's like about 9:30, 10 o'clock. It's hot outside already. Sometimes earlier, But yeah, y'all, shoot, I could have been put these on, but I need to change my brake lines. The ones on the car, they all mushy looking. I mean, if y'all seen them, you'll be like, how could you ain't check and change them a long time ago? So, man, y'all probably hear some background noise, man. I got my little laptop on, man, watching Sony Reese, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, let me, go ahead, jack this front end up, get these wheels off. Man, I done lost my center cap, y'all. I lost it in the country. I gotta find another one, if I even be able to find another one. Shoot, these are, what kind of fucking wheels are these? Gazario. Alright. Yeah, I looked them up once. I just gotta go back and find them because apparently somebody bought the last one on eBay. So I gotta get back on it. But yeah, I'm finna get ready to snatch these wheels off and shoot, y'all, put these brakes on. Yeah, another reason I was kind of holding out too because I wanted to get me some more factory with some more wheels. Because once I put them on, I can't use my 14s no more. I wish I had some 15s. But I may still try to go find me some 15s and 16s, maybe some 17-inch factories out of a Camaro. Firebird or something. 16s or 17s factories. That'd be just for those. Though I'm using them for the factories, but shit, y'all know how the rim game is and how it can go. Shoot, you hit the wrong pothole or whatnot. Shoot, even with a regular tire, regular rim. You hit the wrong pothole or chuck hole or whatever. Shoot, that's it. And then you down. And I don't have no spare rim or nothing, Last time I had rims, I had a spare rim. So I wasn't tripping if one of them got bended up, because here, I could take my time getting it fixed. But now, I have to, be playing the weeble wobble game, with the regular factories. Sure, I'm not going to do the back right now because I didn't get the back set up. I'm not doing the back brake setup till a little bit later on because I want to get the because you gotta change the master cylinder proportionate valve too. So that's my only hold up on that. Then I also want to do a little bit more research. I don't know if how the brake line situation is either, as far as on the rear end. So I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, I done been talking long enough. Man, sure, it's time to get busy. It's time to get busy for the sun come up. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, YouTube. I'm back at it. Now y'all see I got this bolt loose already up here. I got the bottom one loose as well, and I got this tension, the tie rod bolt loose. And shoot, like I showed y'all on that last video, you know what I'm saying, when I did the control arm, I just hit the knuckle, you know what I'm saying, you really vibrate everything off. Majority of the time it works. So, you know, it could be sometime with the tie rod in, you know what I'm saying, like, oh, see, yeah, that one I already failed. The bottom one, good. Now let's see if I can get this top one. Man, this one's being kind of stubborn. Shit. Yeah, so usually put some kind of soft on the top of it. Damn, I don't like hitting my tie rod like that. Shit. Yeah, it's starting to come down. It's been stubborn though, but I just want to get that bottom one off first. Shit. Then I just put this jack up under there, hold that tension on it, and do my you know, then I get the top one off, and I'll cut y'all back on when I can have it off. Alright, damn. YouTube, my bad. I forgot to show y'all the progress on the other side. But as you can see, I got the wheel back on. They got an old setup. I bled this caliper already. And you know what, y'all? Shoot, I didn't even think about this. Like last time when I had my rims on, I wondered why I was having so many problems. Shit, just I got this damn adapter on, and last time I don't think I used them. I think I took them back off. So I took it off. And on this side now, you know what I'm saying? Got it all set up. Me and my stepson just got through bleeding it out. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, while I'm up on there, I'm gonna go ahead and grease my tie rods and my bushers, and all my joints and stuff. And yep. My bad. Forgot to show y'all. My bad. But I'm not finna go breaking down nothing again just to record it. No. It ain't getting that good, YouTube. Sure. You know what I'm saying? I know it's 1,000 other videos on how this went down. I'm just showing y'all my journey. But back to the lecture at hand. I gotta before I put my wheel back on, I'm gonna take these pins back out and grease them up. Brake pins. Grease them up because I didn't grease them when I initially put everything together. So grease them up, clean the rotor off, and put the tie rod back on. Slap the wheel back on. And that's a wrap, folks. That will be a wrap. But I'll tune y'all back in to see how the brakes feel. Alright, there you go. Alright. Yeah, it's all back together. I took it for a little test drive. Brakes stopped real good. It stopped real good, y'all. Shit, but my pedal's still kind of spongy. I mean, but it's what would you say? It's very responsive, I would say. I mean, you barely tap it, you barely touch it, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, you slowing down. So yeah, I mean, I approve of this little upgrade, man. Real talk, I approve of it. So now, what I'm going to do is, what is that? Oh, well, that's it. That's it for as far as me recording, but yeah, I'm just gonna continue to bleed my brakes. And yeah, y'all, that's a wrap. Shoot, I replace, change the drum line, the spindles, put the laser spindles on, and the brakes and all that good stuff. And I had to change brake lines as well. I'll show you why. The originals. Let's see, yeah, y'all can see that. Focus. There you go. But yeah, that's why. That part, and you see it all buckling up. I mean, I've been changing brake lines in this car since I got them. Well, since I got the car, and that was like 10 years ago. Um, Now, I know everybody would probably just be like, fuck it, throw those on away. I ain't throwing mine away. I'm gonna go and keep it because you never know. I might try to go back if something was to ever happen, which I doubt it. But who knows? You know what I'm saying? Hell, somebody might want to buy it, so I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm just not. You know, people, you know what I'm saying, that like had that cars fully, all original or whatnot. Shoot, this be, you know what I'm saying, this be good for them. They just want OEM parts or whatever. There you go right there. I mean, sure, of course, yeah, you got to change the brake lines, get new rotor, but, the calipers, you know what I'm saying, it's good because I replaced both of them. I replaced both of the calipers. I replaced both of them. There's nothing wrong with the spindle. Wheel bearings was good in it. Shoot. Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it away, y'all. I just keep them. And as you can see, I ain't used no adapters on the front no more. No spacers on the front no more. Yeah, because I kept wondering why I was rubbing when I had them on the first time. When I had 22s on the first time, they didn't rub, and I couldn't remember why. But then I just thought about it. Yeah, I didn't use no spacers on the front. So I mean, I could use like the shim ones, bring it out a little bit more, just a little bit. But yeah, shit. I'm done for the moment, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleed these brakes and shit. I'll catch y'all on the next video. And I'm out.